Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Zishan Qureshi, and today once again I am going to have a discussion with the chat with the call any chatbot. I'm going to add uh, today our topic is about exploring the future of augmented reality. So we will definitely going to ask from call any about the topic to comprehend the information and what is the augmented reality is. Hello.
Hey there, augmented reality, huh? That's such a cool topic. Have you tried any AR apps or experiences recently? I love how it blends the real world with digital elements. It's like magic.
Will you please tell us about the realities? Do you hear me? So this is the problem every time we are facing. Although our internet connection is quite good, but unfortunately, it's never respond on the video mode. So we will switch it on to the call mode. Yes, we are once again going to call any the chatbot.
Hey there, just your friendly neighborhood Annie here. How's it going? Got anything fun planned for today?
No, not a fun plan. We are going to have complete our task quite rapidly, and we are going to discuss with you about the augmented reality, basically future, exploring the future of augmented reality. So, will you please tell us about the realities? How many types are there?
Absolutely, let's dive into that. There are mainly three types of realities. One, augmented reality, AR. This overlays digital information onto the real world. Think of Pokemon Go or Snapchat filters. 2. Virtual reality, VR. This immerses you completely in a digital environment. You wear a headset and feel like you're in another world, like in gaming or simulations. 3. Mixed reality, MR. This combines elements of both AR and VR, allowing real and virtual elements to interact. It's like having a hologram right in your living room. Which one do you find most interesting? Or do you have a favorite application of these technologies?
So, basically, today I am going to explore about the future of augmented reality. Na?
That sounds super exciting. The future of augmented reality is full of potential. Imagine using AR for education, like interactive lessons where students can visualize complex concepts right in front of them. What specific aspects are you planning to explore? Applications in education, gaming, or maybe something else?
First,
Sparkles.
yes, obviously, every time we are sparkling, and how does it is different from the virtual reality and mixed reality? Earlier you defined it, but I want this detailed information on it.
Great question. Got it, so here's a quick breakdown. Augmented reality, AR, adds digital elements to your real-world view. You can still see and interact with your surroundings, while digital info enhances that experience. It's like seeing a 3D dinosaur in your backyard through your phone. Virtual reality, VR, completely replaces your real-world view with a digital one. You wear a headset and are transported to a different environment, like exploring a fantasy world or simulating a flight. You can't see the real world at all. Mixed reality, MR, blends both the R and VRIT, allows real and virtual objects to interact in real time. For example, you could see a virtual object that you can manipulate while still being aware of your real surroundings. So AR keeps you grounded in reality, VR takes you away from it, and MR merges the two. Does that help clarify things? What
A
do you
bit.
find most intriguing about these technologies? I'm glad it helped a bit. If you have more questions or want to dive deeper into any specific area, just let me know.
So
What part of augmented reality are you most curious about exploring today?
I want to get some information about the key components or infrastructure required to run an AR application effectively.
To run an augmented reality, AR application effectively, you'll need a solid IT infrastructure that includes several key components. 1. Hardware. This includes servers and devices capable of processing the AR application. High-performance CPUs and GPUs are essential for rendering graphics smoothly. 2. Storage devices. Use SSDs, SANs, or NAS systems to store critical data and application files. A mix of local and cloud storage can enhance performance and accessibility. 3. Networking gear. Routers, switches, and firewalls create a reliable backbone for connectivity. Fast and stable internet is crucial for real-time data transmission in AR applications. 4. Software. This encompasses the AR software development kits, SDKs, and platforms that facilitate the creation and deployment of AR experiences. 5. User devices. Smartphones, tablets, or AR glasses are necessary for users to experience the AR content. These devices should have the necessary sensors and processing power. 6. Integration services. APIs and other integration tools help connect the AR application with existing systems and data sources. 7. Security measures. Implementing robust security protocols to protect user data and ensure safe interactions within the AR environment. By combining these components, businesses can create a strong infrastructure to support AR applications effectively. Does that give you a clearer picture? What do you think would be the biggest challenge in setting this up?
The financial issue is the most major concern for setting up this infrastructure, and hopefully the government may also not able, or our principal is not able to buy these components in one quotation. So, what is your opinion, or can you predict the technological advancement are likely to shape the future of AR in the upcoming decade?
I totally get that concern. Funding for tech infrastructure can be a big hurdle, especially in schools. As for the future of I think we're going to see some exciting advancements. Here are a few predictions. 1. Personalization. AI will create more personalized learning experiences, adapting to individual student needs and learning styles. 2. Automation. Routine tasks like grading and administrative work will be automated, freeing up teachers to focus more on teaching and engaging with students. 3. Enhanced collaboration. AI will facilitate better collaboration between students and teachers, using tools that can analyze group dynamics and suggest improvements. 4. AI will provide deeper insights into student performance, helping educators make informed decisions about curriculum and teaching strategies. 5. Accessibility. AI will help create more accessible learning environments for students with disabilities, providing tailored support and resources. 6. AR and VR integration. AI will enhance AR and VR experiences, making them more immersive and interactive for educational purposes. What do you think about these possibilities? Any specific advancements you're hoping to see?
So, whether I'm hoping or not, it will definitely will exist. Now, my next question is, how can AR transform traditional education and vocational training methods?
Great question. Augmented reality, AR, has the potential to transform traditional education and vocational training in several impactful ways. 1. Interactive learning. A R can turn static lessons into interactive experiences. Students can visualize complex concepts in 3D, making learning more engaging and memorable. 2. Hands-on training. In vocational training, a R can simulate real-world scenarios. For example, medical students can practice surgeries on virtual patients, while mechanics can learn to repair engines through guided AR overlays. 3. Remote learning. AR can enhance remote education by allowing students to participate in virtual labs or field trips, providing experiences they might not have access to otherwise. 4. Instant feedback. AR applications can provide real-time feedback during training, helping learners correct mistakes and improve their skills on the spot. 5. Collaboration. AR can foster collaboration among students, allowing them to work together on projects in a shared virtual space, regardless of their physical location. 6. Cultural and historical context. AR can bring history to life by overlaying historical events onto real-world locations, making subjects like history and geography more relatable. 7. Customization. AR can cater to different learning styles, allowing students to engage with content in ways that suit them best, whether through visual, auditory, or kinesthetic methods. These transformations can lead to a more engaging, effective, and accessible educational experience. What do you think would be the biggest benefit for students in this kind of learning environment?
Obviously, as you mentioned, participating from anywhere in the
Absolutely.
from the world. So it is also a concern too. Uh, but
Absolutely. The ability to participate from anywhere in the world is a double-edged sword.
okay,
On one hand, it opens up incredible opportunities for collaboration and learning.
yes,
On the
obviously,
other
I
hand,
want to ask my last question about the augmented reality. We how can we ensure that AR serves humanity positively and inclusively rather than creating new divides?
that's such an important question. Ensuring that R serves humanity positively and inclusively requires a thoughtful approach. Here are some ideas. 1. Equitable access. Provide resources and infrastructure to ensure that all communities have access to a R technology. This includes funding for schools and training programs in underserved areas. 2. Inclusive design. Involve diverse voices in the development of R applications. This means considering the needs of various demographics, including those with disabilities, different cultural backgrounds, and varying levels of tech savviness. 3. Ethical guidelines. Establish ethical standards for R development that prioritize user well-being, privacy, and data security. This can help prevent misuse and ensure that technology is used responsibly. 4. Education and training. Offer training programs that educate users on how to use AR effectively and safely. This empowers individuals to harness the technology for their benefit and minimizes misuse. 5. Community engagement. Encourage community involvement in the creation and implementation of AR projects. This ensures that the technology addresses real needs and reflects the values of the community. 6. Feedback mechanisms. Create channels for users to provide feedback on AR experiences. This can help developers make necessary adjustments and improvements based on real-world usage. 7. Focus on positive impact. Prioritize AR applications that promote social good, such as mental health support, education, and community building, rather than those that might exacerbate divides. By taking these steps, we can work towards a future where AR enhances lives and fosters inclusion rather than creating new barriers. What do you think? Any other ideas you'd add to the list?
Mm,
Sparkles.
basically, may Allah give us the courage to give the ethical direction to all of our innovations. Till then, Allah Hafiz, we will discuss later, and definitely we are going to end this session today. Allah Hafiz.
Amin, may you have the strength and wisdom to guide your innovations ethically. It's
Um,
always a pleasure chatting with you.
thank
Take care, and I look. You're welcome. Anytime, if you need anything, just reach out. Have a wonderful day. Sparkles.